Where ya got your Miami Vice grips?
Miami Vice grips. Miami Vice grips.
It's Miami Vice grips. Don't you know what they are? Sheesh! Isn't there a man working here that can help me?
Scott, you better help this customer before I knock him upside in his head.
What happened?
This jerk customer thinks a woman can't help him in a tool department. He wants a man to help him.
Where is he? I have an idea. May I help you?
Sir?
Yeah, bud, just show me the Miami Vice grips.
I'm not sure what those are, but I know someone who does. Look.
First of all, they're called locking pliers. Vice grips is a brand name we don't sell.
And secondly, Miami Vice is a TV show.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sorry.
That was amazing! It worked even better than I imagined it would. Yay! Locking pliers! I can't wait to get home and lock ply.
You really know the merchandise. How did you get so smart?
Well, it's easy when you have to order stock every week.
Wow, you order stock? You must be really important around here.
Well, you are too, Mr. NCAP man.
I think you're doing a really great job so far, Scott.
Well, it's 5 p.m. My shift
Is done.
Have fun working the night shift. See you tomorrow, Miss NCAP man.
She called me Mr. Endcap Man.